If you are looking to get an everyday work laptop for a general use, we have something very good today. It is Acer's new Aspire 3 15-inch, which has a big screen, good build quality and other nice stuff, so let's check it out. Inside the box, you will find its compact 45-watt charger, the manual and warranty information, and finally the laptop itself wrapped in this white covering. The Acer Aspire 3 is designed with simple aesthetics that manage to look classy in this silver color, and even though the body is made of plastic, it feels sturdy enough. We have a big 15.6-inch Full HD TFT display here, which will make working on it very easy, and it will also let you enjoy watching videos. The horizontal viewing angles are good, though you may have to adjust the screen vertically for the best viewing experience. It has an anti-glare matte finish called Comfy View by Acer. It does reduce the reflections by a lot, and because it is a 1080p display, it doesn't affect its sharpness, even though the coating is kind of noticeable if you get very close to the screen. At the bottom, you will also find stereo downfiring speakers. Even with a big screen, the weight of this laptop is 1.78 kilograms and the thickness is under 2 centimeters, so it is easy to carry around at college or office, or from one room to another if you are still lucky enough to work from home. The keyboard has a standard layout with a number pad, and while the keys don't have a long travel distance, they are very stable, so you can type quite fast on this. The touchpad is also really big and it tracks nicely, which is great to see in this segment. On the left side, you will see a USB 3.2 port, an HDMI 2.1 port and a Type-C port which supports DisplayPort out and charging, so you won't need to carry around the charger. Then on the right side, you will find another USB 3.2 port, a combined audio jack and a Kensington lock. For wireless connectivity, we have Bluetooth 5.1 and dual band Wi-Fi, and it of course comes with Windows 11 installed. This is what the 720p webcam on this device looks and sounds like, and Acer also has their purified voice technology on this, so you should sound good during your Microsoft Teams and Zoom calls. This model is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 7250U processor with the Zen 2 architecture, and it is a 4-core 8 threads processor that will be sufficient to handle everyday tasks with a multi-core score of close to 2000 in Cinebench R20. It also comes with Radeon graphics, which will keep the UI elements running nice and smooth. We have 8GB of DDR5 RAM here, so you can open lots of tabs in Chrome, and it comes with a 512GB NVMe SSD, which is fast and can store lot of homework folders with 4K videos. The cooling system has been upgraded with a great increase in its fan surface area. You can see the heat pipes on this, and I tried some heavy workloads on this laptop and it stayed cool without making a lot of noise from its fan. We have a 40 Wh battery on it, but it can last surprisingly long. Acer claims up to 13.5 hours of battery life, and I tested how long it can stream on for YouTube. It has been 8 hours and 24 minutes and the battery is still at 19%, so while doing less intense tasks, you should get over 10 hours from it, and that is really great. The 45-watt charger is also very easy to carry around and it charges the laptop quickly. So the Acer Aspire 3 is definitely a good choice for everyday home, college or office work. It has a big display while being light enough, the keyboard and touchpad are nice, and it also has enough horsepower with a long-lasting battery. I'll have links in the video description where you can check out its price. Let me know if you have any questions about this laptop in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.